Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Made a mess already. So today I'm working with more rainbow metallics because I love them so. I am using Artist Loft colors, metallic blue. I don't know if I got that in the frame. Metallic blue, metallic lemon yellow, metallic orange, metallic purple, metallic leaf green, and metallic red. I have some Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black, which I have added a drop or two of the coconut milk anti-breakage hair serum. So today I'm going to do a swipe with the metallics. So let's get started. I've mixed my paints, 1 part paint, 2 part Floetrol with my water and Floetrol mix, which is 10% Floetrol, 90% water. I add that to get the consistency that I want, which in this case is a little thicker than when I'm going for my cells without silicone. So there's no silicone in this. I'm going to try to not have any mishaps today. Yesterday was one after the other. Okay, let me just spread these out a little bit. Okay, let me just touch up some of these spots. And we're going to be swiping, so it's all going to blend together anyway. Kind of lost some of my green there. Normally I wouldn't care, but I do like this leaf green. And I just dripped green into my orange. Fabulous. Okay, let me just spray this paper towel a bit. You just want it damp, you don't want it soaking wet. And for the black, now because there is black in this silicone, or silicone in this black, I may wind up having to touch up some spots on the canvas. Because it is, if the silicone hits the canvas first, it will reject paint. But I can go in and fix that. So, actually let me do a smidge more. And I've made this, the black relatively thin. You just want to catch it. Okay, that was too much silicone. We will remedy this. 'Tis not a thing. And you can always come in and touch it up after it's dried with a brush. You don't have to be married to exactly what you got. You can still fix it later. Just touch up these edges a bit. Okay. Well, I would say that I'm generally pleased with this one. It's kind of pretty. I will have to touch up some of the spots. Where the black had the silicone in it and it was resisting. But before I go to varnish this, I will touch those spots up. I'll clean it up, touch them up. Let's Yeah, I don't want to move it around. I would love for that red to come down a little bit, but I don't want to mess with it. Okay, there she is in all of her sparkling glory. Man, do I love these metallics. And as you can see, it is starting to run off that edge. So I need to hurry up and put some sticks under there to try to level it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something. I did. I always do. Every painting is an opportunity to learn something. And again, thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe and all of that delicious stuff. And have a beautiful day and go make some art.